How to import the bulk users to courses through CSV in WPCourseware. WPCourseware has built-in import tool for importing users to course. Go to the WPCourseware in Dashboard. Then click on the Tools. Click the Import tab at the top and then click the User's submenu item. Here, first you need to download an example CSV file. Click on the example CSV file hyperlink to download an example CSV. Once downloaded, fill it out at least 4 headings that are required. First name, last name, email address, course IDs that the student will be enrolled. Note that, if a user email address already exists, then only the courses are updated for that user. Usernames are generated from the first and last name information. If a username already exists, then a unique username is generated. To add a user to many courses, just separate those course IDs with a comma in the Courses to Add to column. Save the CSV template after filling 4 columns. Choose the CSV template for import in WPCourseware. Click the Import Users button. Your user will be imported within seconds. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for the latest video and click the bell icon.